How to use Snapdrop.net to transfer files wirelessly. So if you want to transfer files wirelessly from Snapdrop.net, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you need to go with another device. Like for example, if you want to transfer your files from your mobile device to your laptop, then on both the devices, on your mobile device and on your laptop, you need to have the same Wi-Fi connection. Once you have the same Wi-Fi connection, then you can either have the application installed, or you can also go with your browser and search for snapdrop.net, and here you need to tap on upload files and then tap on while using the application and upload some files. Go with media picker. Now once you've uploaded the file, now if you want to share, then you just need simply tap on share, which is here on the middle of your screen. Tap on the share button, and from here you can either copy the link to download the image, or you can also send via email, or you can also go with nearby share. You'll also have QR code. You can also go with the QR code which is on the top, but you can share your files with nearby devices by opening LimeWire on any device in the same Wi-Fi network. So tap on Windows PC and make sure that you've also opened limewire.com on your PC or your laptop. Make sure to go with the website, and from the website you can choose nearby devices, and under that you can go with Android phone. And once you go with the Android phone, here on your mobile you need to go with share, and that's it. The file has been shared. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.